Even when I'm sitting there alone all by myself, it's different when I think you might be with somebody.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe while you're here. If you did not catch my last vlog, your girl got the new iPhone 15 Pro Max and I already unboxed it, but I do want to show y'all what's on my iPhone as well as how I customize my iPhone because y'all, I feel like such an aesthetic girly. I done customized my iPhone. I have like a whole theme. It's literally a whole vibe. So stay tuned to the end of the video if you want to learn how to customize your iPhone on iOS 17. And yeah, so let's just get right into the video. All right, y'all, let me turn my screen record on because I swear I'm gonna forget this. All right, we live. Okay, so first things first, I do not have like all of my apps on my library because I wanted it to be aesthetic. So the apps that I couldn't find the little icons for, I have those just like off the home screen, but they're still on my phone, if that makes sense. But yeah, so the first page, I have all of my Apple apps. So I have settings, health, voice memos, wallet, maps, files, clock, mail, contacts, weather, camera, FaceTime, app store, location, photos, notes, calendar, calculator, podcast, and iMovie. So those are all the apps I have on my first screen, and then I also have like a little widget, and in this widget I just have a bunch of like aura kind of vibes that match the home screen that I have. So it's like a star, a flower, a gummy bear, and a cloud I think, and a moon. So all of those just kind of rotate, and like I said, if y'all want to see how I did that, just stay tuned to the end of the video. And then at the bottom of my home screen I have music, Safari, phone, and iMessage, and that's because those are the apps that I use the most. I actually about to switch camera and phone because I really don't be on the phone like that, y'all. On the second page of my phone, I kind of have it divided because I like to be as organized as possible. So at the top I have like my social media and content creation apps. So I have Pinterest, Snapchat, TikTok, and Instagram on the first row, and then on the second row I have YouTube Studio, Canva, YouTube, and CapCut. So at the top it's just like all my social media apps for fun, I guess, and then at the bottom it's just like YouTube related stuff, how I edit my videos and everything. And then in the middle I have another widget, but this one, these are images, but I put like little quotes. So like whenever I'm scrolling on my phone and I need a little midday motivation, it's right there for me. So I have 3 different quotes on there. The first one say rejection is redirection, the second one says success comes with consistency, and then the third one, let me see what I put because I literally forgot, it's long though. The last one says you will never always be motivated, so you must learn to be disciplined. So I have those little reminders in the middle of my phone, and then at the bottom I have like food/shopping apps. So I have DoorDash, Starbucks, McDonald's, Cash App, not really none of them, but I found the icon for it and I actually use Cash App a lot, so I kept that on home screen. And then I have Walmart, Target, Amazon, and Outlook. I'm not gonna explain my little Apple apps, but as far as my other apps, I already kind of explained to y'all, like the social media and content creation. I don't even be using DoorDash, but like I said, if I found the icon for it, I basically left it on my home screen. Starbucks and McDonald's is pretty self-explanatory. I only really use Outlook for work, but I found an icon for it, so I was like, well, we're gonna keep it. Okay, now I'm finna show y'all the apps that are on my phone but not on my home screen. So it's only like a few, honestly. This phone do not have that many apps because my last phone, I had a 13 Pro Max, cracked it up real bad, so Verizon sent me another one. When I went to like try to transfer the data from my old phone, I had turned my iCloud off before I like transferred the data, so I lost a lot of my pictures, apps, data, and stuff. So I don't really have a lot of apps on my phone like how I used to, but I've been rocking with these and I haven't been having any problems. So these probably gonna be the only apps that I have on my phone, but it's still really early in the game. I only had this phone for like a few days, so we'll see. All right, y'all, so the other apps that I have on my phone but you can't see on the home screen are Vita, which is a really good app for editing YouTube videos, and then I have a Hibbit app. That's the app that I use to get my sneakers because that's like the only app that I really use when I'm trying to do like raffles and stuff. And then I have Dollar General because girl, I'm in the country now, so when I want something, I go to Dollar General. I don't have a Target or a Walmart near me. I still have those apps because like occasionally I do go to those places, but it's Dollar General now. And then I have Forever 21 app, Pizza Hut app, Macy's. So other apps that I like to use for like content creation are TubeBuddy and Fonto. If you're a content creator, TubeBuddy is a really good app because it can kind of help you with your keywords and helping your titles be a little bit more searchable so you can like attract a bigger audience. And it just kind of tells you what videos are like trending and stuff. So I use those a lot to come up with video ideas images and to get the title for my videos. TubeBuddy has been really helpful, so if you're a content creator, I highly recommend you get it. It is free. And then Fonto, I don't use Fonto as much as I used to because I use Canva to like make my thumbnails and stuff, and you can actually like upload your own fonts into Canva now, so I don't really have that much of a purpose for Fonto, but sometimes I like to use the edits that they have on there, so I do have that app. I don't know what it is about me, I just always been the type of girly that like I'm too grown to have games on my phone, so I never had games on my phone, but I do have one. I have the water sort game. I don't know, I just find it so like satisfying when I cross a new level. When I transferred from my old phone to my last phone, all of my progress was deleted. I had to start all the way over to level 0, and I was on like level 49, 48, somewhere in that range. So with my last phone, I like started replaying it again, and because my stuff was backed up, it actually backed up to this phone. So on this phone, I am on level, I think I'm on level 90 something. Let's see what level I'm on. 94. So we're finna hit level 100 real soon. But yeah, I love that game so much, and I've always been the type of girl like I'm too mature to have games on my phone, but my auntie was like she liked playing games because it helps with like her anxiety, so I was like I'm gonna do that because I'm super anxious. I be having a lot of anxiety, and a lot of times I just like to play it if I'm bored and have nothing to do, even though it's not really productive. It just keeps me busy. So yeah, I really like that app. And then I have something called Share, but that's something that I use for work. So yeah, shortcut app, need it now. I never used to use it, but in order to customize your iPhone, you're gonna need it. So if you want to do that, make sure you keep that app on your phone. Some type of graphs app, I don't even know what that is. A CVS app, because I like to use them little coupons because they be taxing. Okay, shop app, if you are like me and you get packages every other day, you need the shop app because it is really good. It'll like have all your packages in one place, and it'll kind of tell you where your stuff is at, and you get rewards. So like every time you check out with the shop app, because they'll like remember your information. So like if I'm getting a Telfair bag or like some sneakers, I like to use that app because all my information is saved. It just puts it right in there and saves me some time. You accrue money for every order that you order through them. You can use the rewards on another order. So I really like shop app. If you don't use it, you definitely should. You can even link like all your different emails, so all your orders will be in one place. You don't want to have to click on every email to see where your stuff at. So I really like that app a lot. And then I just have like my banking apps. PayPal, need that. I couldn't find no cute icon for that, but they did have some. I just didn't like them. And then Rocket Money, another good app. If you're trying to be a little bit more financially savvy, I highly recommend you get Rocket Money. That app is really good because like it just tracks your spending. And for me, I didn't realize I was spending that much. I'm like, girl, when did I spend that much money? But it'll tell you how much you spend in a month. It'll tell you how much you spend on subscriptions, which is another really good thing because you'll be spending money on subscriptions that you don't even use anymore. And it'll even help you cancel subscriptions if you have some. So I really like that app a lot. I know it's probably sound like a promotion, but it's just a really good app. Y'all, my camera dies, so if the angle's a little bit different, that's why. Something else that I really like about that app is that you don't even have to pay like a certain price. It literally lets you pick the amount that you pay for the subscription. So I really like that app a lot. Definitely check it out, okay? And then I have some more like little Apple apps, Translator, Home, and Stocks, and News. I actually like News app a lot, but I didn't find any cute widgets for it, so I took it off my home screen, and I'm just going to use the little what is this called? What is that called? The stack thing? I don't know what that's called, but yeah, that's what I'm going to use. So now that I done showed y'all what's on my iPhone, I'm going to show y'all how to make your iPhone cute and how to customize it to your liking, okay? To make your iPhone aesthetic, you're going to need your shortcut app. So basically what you're going to do is go to your shortcut app. You're going to click on the plus button. Then you're going to see where it says new shortcut. Mine says new shortcut 5, and you're going to click on the title, and you're going to click on rename. So you can rename it really anything that you want to, but it's kind of better to rename it after the app that you're finna customize, because if you want to be able to find the app that you're looking for, that's gonna make it a little bit easier. And plus, if you want to ever like go back and change the layout of your phone, then you want to be able to find what you're looking for. If you name Pinterest as P Dizzy, you're gonna be like, what is P Dizzy? So if you have different apps starting with P, you're not gonna know which one it is. So I'm just keeping my app simple. I'm not creative enough to come up with them cute names. You could do what you want to, but let's just say I'm gonna customize H&M. All right, so now that I have the title there, I'm gonna click on open app, and then I'm just gonna click a random app. I don't have the H&M app on my phone, but I'm just gonna say code scanner, whatever that is. Before you click done, you're gonna click on H&M again, or the title that you pick again, and then you're gonna click on add to home screen. So to get like the aesthetic looking icons, what you're gonna need to do is go to either Pinterest or Canva, and you're gonna have to download the icons. I recommend you go to Pinterest because it is already pretty time consuming to customize each and one of your apps, but if you go to Pinterest, at least it's already done for you. If you want your things to be like really unique, or if you want like a different background instead of like a solid color, you can go to Canva, but it's gonna be time consuming, so that's up to you. I just use Pinterest. Literally all I did was search the app icon and then the color that I was looking for. So I said like blue and everything came up. I seen beige, I seen black, I seen gold, I seen purple, I seen all different colors. So whatever aesthetic you are looking for, they have it on Pinterest. Like I said, if you want something real different, you go on Canva and make your own. To make it look aesthetic, I would recommend you stick with like 1 or 2 colors so that it's like cohesive, but it's really up to you. It's your phone. If you want to make it rainbow, okay? But yeah, so then you're going to click on choose photo, and then you're going to click on whichever photo you want to represent that app. So y'all can see some of the icons that I downloaded. I have some for different apps, but I'm just going to click on the music one for the demonstration, and I'm going to say add. And then when I go to my home screen, I can actually see the H&M app. Once I had a customized version, I will go back and delete the original version, but you have to be careful. You're not deleting the original version from your phone. So let me bring out an app so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to put YouTube back on my home screen. All right, so I clicked on the minus button, and instead of saying delete app, you just say remove from home screen. That way it's still on your phone, but it's not visible, so it's not gonna mess up your aesthetic. You still have the app, you still look cute and functional. It's the best of both worlds. So that is how you customize your apps. Like I said, make sure that you keep the apps on your home screen. This is a very, very time consuming process, so literally I just kept going until I filled up 2 pages worth. But I would recommend you only do like your favorite apps or the apps that you use the most often, because if you're trying to do every single app and you got 100 apps, baby, you're gonna be there a whole week trying to customize your iPhone. So, or you could just do like the first few pages if you want to. But like I said, it's very time consuming, so please be aware. And like ever since I did this, y'all, I've been struggling to find my apps because I'm so used to them looking like the original way. But I've been trying to train my brain to look for the blue image instead. But if you're still struggling, you can like always drag your menu down, click the search button, and you can find your app that you're looking for. Or you can just go to the app library and you'll see like the original app if that's easier for you. That is how you customize your app icons. Now to get like the little widgets with the pictures, that was really hard for me to find out how to do, but I did figure it out. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to download a bunch of little aesthetic pictures that you want to be in your widget, right? After you download the pictures, you're going to go to your photos app, and then you're going to click on the pictures that you want to be in the album. So I have like a flower, a cloud, a moon, another cloud. I thought I had one more, gummy bear. So then I'm going to click those pictures and I'm going to say add to album. You can call the album whatever you want to. I already have an album with them pictures, so I'm not gonna do it again, but you will add it to the album. Only put the pictures that you want to be in the widget in the album, okay? So after you added them to the album, you're gonna go to your home screen and you're gonna get it to where it's jiggling again. You're gonna click on the plus button and you're gonna scroll all the way down to your widgets until you get to the photos app. They have the featured, and they have album. You need to click on album. If you click on album, that way you get to choose the pictures that you use. If you do feature, it's just gonna be random. They're just gonna put whatever pictures they want to use. So you go to album and then you're gonna say add widget. Now y'all see this is a picture of my nails. This is not the picture that I wanted. So then I'm gonna click on done. Then I'm gonna click on the widget again. I'm gonna click on edit widget. It says album favorites. I don't want it to go to favorites. I want it to go to wallpaper because that is where I have the little cute aesthetic pictures that I just downloaded. Now you see I have the little aesthetic pictures. So when you do it like this, it's basically gonna rotate just how I would do with the like feature album, and it's just gonna rotate between the pictures that you selected. So that is how you get little cute aesthetic pictures. You can also do text. On my second page, I do have quotes. I literally just went on Canva, typed in the text, saved it as an image, and did the same thing that I just did. It's pretty easy. I know some people do like their names. You can do quotes, a scripture, whatever you want to. It's your phone, okay? So yeah, that is how I customize my iPhone. Like I said, it took me a really long time, but it's so freaking cute and aesthetic, and I'm like so happy because y'all, I've always wanted to customize my iPhone, but I just always made it harder than what it is. So this is for the girlies who are really lazy or who need things to be really dumbed down and simplified. Here's your tutorial on how to customize your iPhone iOS 17 edition. Okay, so now that I showed y'all what's on my iPhone and how I customize it, I want to get into the iPhone itself. So this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I have 256 gigabytes, and this is the natural titanium color. I originally wanted the white color. The back order for the white color was even longer, so I was like, baby, we just gonna get the gray and call it a day. So I got the gray, and honestly, it looks so good with like this case that I'm not even mad at it. Like, let's be for real here, okay? I've had this phone for a few days now, and I can say that I really like my phone, y'all. Like, this is such an upgrade. I had the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so this is kind of like a big change for me. I'm not used to having, what is this thing called? I wasn't used to having the little island at the top of my phone, so now I got it, and I'm like, yeah. But yeah, so I love having the little island. I think it's so helpful. I like when I'm listening to music or when I'm on the phone or even like doing voice recordings. It just has little things up here that I feel like are just so helpful. The biggest reason why I wanted to get the Pro Max is because of the action button. So this is the action button on the side. You can actually customize this to do whatever, I ain't gonna say whatever you want to, but they have different options for how you can customize this. Since I'm a content creator, I chose the camera option, and I'm just gonna show show y'all how it works. All right, so my phone is currently on my home screen, right? All right, I'm about to hold it. It went right to the camera. So I really like this feature a lot because if you ever been washing dishes, then you try to tap on your phone, it'd be really hard. Sometimes you just need to take like a real quick picture, and so I just feel like this is such an easy and helpful feature. My boyfriend has the 14 Pro Max and I have the 15 Pro Max, and I'm not even finna lie to y'all, it was no major difference in our cameras. As far as the camera go, I wouldn't really say that it's really a big difference. It's nothing worth spending $1,500 on, but it was time for my upgrade, so that's really why I got the phone. It wasn't really specifically for the camera or anything. I did get the Pro Max because it has like better video quality, but I really record on my camera, so I probably could have went without getting it. But like I said, I want the action button, and I'm not gonna lie, the regular 15s, they have like a really pretty light blue color, but I just wanted all the features that came with the Pro Max, so that's why I went with the Pro Max. But yeah, the camera isn't nothing too crazy. It is like a good camera, but it's not like, oh my god, this is a noticeable difference. Like if me and him both took a picture, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. And matter of fact, I'm gonna make both of us take a picture of the same thing so y'all can see what I'm talking about, because it's not like a notable difference at all. Okay, I would say all in all, the phone is really cool. I would not go out of my way to buy it because even though I really do like the features that comes with it, it's nothing that is life-changing. It's nothing that is worth, like I said, the money that you're gonna pay for it. But if it's time for your upgrade, go ahead and get you the little 15 Pro Max. It's really cool. I definitely was like fiending for a new phone, y'all, especially because my old one was cracked. Even when I got the replacement one, I was just thirsting for the 15. So I'm so happy that I finally got it, and I really like it so far. I know you can do like the little FaceTime voicemail call. I don't really be on the phone like that, but I already know some people won't be getting on my nerves with that. All in all, I would say that it is a cool phone. It's nothing too crazy. I would give it like a solid 8 out of 10. I'm really grateful that I even have it, because this is something that is obviously unnecessary, but it was time for my upgrade. So yeah, I've been showing y'all all video my cute case, but guess what? I have the AirPod case to match it. So y'all, these are my AirPods, and I have the little matching case. Tell me it's not a vibe. Imagine me be like at a coffee shop and I'm just like this. It's giving I got my life together. That's what it's giving. Not me having the matching, yeah. So these little things at the back of my phone is not just for looks. I actually got this because sometimes when you drop your phone on the back, you can crack your camera. So I got this to protect my camera, but they have bling ones. So I was like, immediately, yes, like I have to get you. And I really feel like it just takes my phone up a level, and it just makes it look so freaking cute. Like I'm so obsessed. It's so freaking cute, y'all. And I just feel like it just brings the whole case together. And then they actually have like a little silver emblem at the bottom, so it just all ties in together. It's a move, okay? It's a freaking move. I love it so much. I think it looks so freaking cute. If you're interested, I got my case, my camera covers, my AirPods case, and my screen protector from Wildflower. That's where I got all my stuff from. If you want any other things that I mentioned, I will have it linked in my description box below. And yeah, so I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I know it's probably a quick little video, but I just wanted to show y'all what's on my new iPhone 15 Pro Max, give y'all a little customization tutorial, and I wanted to give y'all a review on the phone itself and show y'all my cute little accessories because they're eating. Okay, let me know if I put y'all onto any apps, and if y'all have any apps that y'all think that I would really like, make sure y'all put me on, because girl, if y'all have anything that can make my life easier or better, I'm here for it. So if y'all have any app recommendations, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel while you're here, okay? And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. God, my throat literally hurts. My hair. Hold the action button. Bruh.